Now, why don't we come to this? It is a very simple device. It costs only about 300 rupees and it can make a huge impact in the lives of farmers. So, rainwater harvesting. Why do farmers need rainwater harvesting? Because they need water for irrigation. If it rains, it's fantastic. They can get water for irrigation, but what happens when there is no rain for many days together? In such times, farmers don't have water for irrigation. Their crops die, they lose a lot of money, and sometimes it can lead to a debt trap. So, how does rainwater harvesting help them? When it rains, this simple device that you see here, it collects rainwater and it filters it and it stores it in an underground tank. This water can be used for irrigation purposes. Even during droughts, farmers can use this water and they can save a lot of money. This low-cost, high-impact solution is attracting a lot of rural as well as urban viewers. It has been viewed more than 16 lakh times. More than 10,000 people have liked it, and more than 100 people have commented about it. There are many comments like this one from a viewer. He says, "I am from Haryana, we need such things." Another viewer from West Bengal says, "This is really helpful for farmers." And this viewer from Karnataka says, "This is a wonderful invention. Please give the details." Now, if you want one of these devices, what should you do? You should visit the website. The link is given below. Just go to the website and you can place an order. Delivery will be done within 15 days. The cost is only 300 rupees and it is definitely a worthwhile investment. Not just for farmers, but even for people living in cities. When it rains heavily, a lot of water goes down the drain. It causes waterlogging. It causes soil erosion. So instead, why don't we harvest this rainwater? Why don't we make it available for irrigation purposes? And this device is very useful for that. You must watch this video till the end and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe because you will get to see many more useful videos.